I spent 10 years working in a corporate, but now I'm running a business, create content, and using AI to work less and think faster. How do I get here? I'll show you my exact 5-step journey from employee to AI-powered freedom. Let's go. Step number 1, excel at your work. Work isn't pointless. It's experience gathering and resource accumulation. Be the best at what you do. And if you can't, either it's the wrong job or the wrong mindset. And there's a few tips I can give you. Tip number 1, build a strong colleague relationship. Have a good relationship with people around you can help you work so much more efficient and much more enjoyable. Number 2, optimize workflow. In my 10 years corporate journey, every day I'm thinking how I'm gonna do less work to produce more output. And that's how you get paid more than other people. Tip number 3, consistent learning and improvement. You become more valuable to your organization when you become more capable. Simple math. Tip number 4, always exceed expectations. Think about when your boss or your manager assigned you a task, and then picture in your head what the expectation is. And I want you to double down the effort on when you're presenting your work, and I want them to say, wow, your 9 to 5 is your training ground. Use it to build an edge of yourself. Step number 2, buy back your time. At this stage, you should be working up your position in the corporate world, become a manager or a senior employee, and with a good relationship you've built with your colleague, you should be able to delegate some of your workload to the people around you. Another option is use AI to compress the task. Example, 40 hours week work can be equal to 10 hours work plus GPT plus a workable system. And free up time so you can start to building something truly yours. Time is your most valuable capital, and use technology or the relationship and connections, you can buy back time. And then once you have time, let's come to step number 3. Build a side hustle safely. At this stage, don't quit your job yet. We still need that stable income. Use your free time and AI to explore and test ideas. Use your real-world experience to spot market gaps. The steps to follow. First, run a self-audit, finding out your strengths and your weakness. And 2 is identify your edge, finding something that you have edge on that's over somebody else. And step number 3 is spot the pain point, create a solution, and then monetize that solution. Your business is a reflection of your unique knowledge and problem you've solved. Okay, now we come to step number 4, and this is the one of the most difficult part, because anyone can build a business for a week, but very few can do it consistently for 5-10 years stretch. When you take on this path, you need to be prepared to go for the long game. Passion is not enough to cut it. You need to build a sustainable and repeatable system and framework that can repeat and make the business run by itself. And this is when AI comes in. AI help you to build repeatable systems and learn faster than ever. And you don't need to go fast. You need to go forever. Right? Step number 5, quit only when your system can support you. Now you enter phase 2. Explore purpose, expression, and long-term values. AI become your idea partner, your thinking mirror. This isn't about money anymore. It's about design the life that reflects your mind. In this channel, I'm going to show you everything. How I dominate a work, how I use AI to run a solo business, and now I'm exploring my real mission with clarity and control. If you tired of hustling culture and ready to build a system, subscribe to my channel, and because next video I'm gonna show you 5 AI hacks for Excel and Google Sheet that saves me hours every single week. Stay safe, always learning.